In this video, I'm going to talk about the Leads page. The Leads page is found underneath the Marketing tab when you click Leads. This is a great place to come if I want to know how many leads I had in each month or each quarter, along with how long it took for our leads to progress stages and those conversion rates. I can filter down by individual programs, but I can also filter down by marketing initiatives. So as I scroll down here, I can see the marketing initiative filter. I've added email and event channel in here, which we created in an earlier video, and I can add others as well, but I'm just gonna add this one today because I'm interested to see these leads and how they performed. So I'm gonna scroll back up to the top, and I wanna know how many MQLs I had in that initiative for Q1 2020. I can see I had about 1,200. Now I'm interested to know the monthly breakdown. I can see I had 175 MQLs in March 2020. Now I'm interested to know how long did it take those MQLs to become MQLs. I can scroll down here and see these values down below. I use this Known to MQL tab, and I can see in March 2020, it took about 152 days for those leads to become MQLs. Now I can keep scrolling down, and I can see how many programs leads interacted with. I can see about 8% of our leads interacted with 3 programs. We also have a panel to look at the 12-month rolling average of our leads. So we take the prior 12 months and smooth the data with these values. I can see that I have about 2,400 leads in March 2020, along with 382 MQLs, and so on here. We use these values in our conversion rates below. So I can see that lead to MQL, it was about a 16% conversion rate. But then I'm also interested to know my MQL to SQL, which is about 30%, but then my SQL to win, which was a pretty good 74%. And I can see that over time and see how it performs. I can also look at our lead to MQL, lead to SQL, and lead to win. So about 3.5% of our leads were tied with wins. I'm also able to look at our performance for MQLs and SQLs throughout years. I can see here that our MQLs for 2020 are quite a bit down. So I can toggle these off because I'm interested to look at 2020 and how that's performing. I can see that's down as well. And now that's making me think about why is that happening? How can I see why these are down? I want to explore these programs in more detail. And you can do that throughout OSM. After looking at the Leads page, you can use other pages to really come up with an explanation of why this is happening. So this is the Leads page, and this is how you can use marketing initiatives on this page.